If a bank denied your checking account, your ChexSystems report may be why. ChexSystems is basically a consumer report for bank accounts, not loans. Banks use it to decide whether to open a checking account, but most negative records age off over time, often around 5 years. So a denial isn't a lifetime ban. It usually points to specific issues like unpaid negative balances, suspected fraud, or too many account closures. The good news is errors happen and you can dispute them. A cleaner report simply gives you more account options. Cleaning up ChexSystems starts with seeing exactly what's in your file, not guessing. Request your consumer disclosure, which is your full report, then gather the ID details you'll need to verify yourself, like your address history and social security number. Once you have it, check your personal info for typos that can cause mixed files, then list each negative item and who reported it. Also check other screening agencies because some banks use alternatives. Disputes work best when you treat the report like an itemized receipt and challenge only what's wrong. Compare each line item to your own records and separate debts you already paid because paid and unpaid can look very different to banks. If you see an identity mix-up, document it clearly with dates, addresses, and a police or FTC identity report if needed. Submit your dispute with evidence, then track the investigation window, often about 30 days, and keep expectations realistic for accurate data. If the negative item is accurate, the fastest cleanup is resolving the money and proving it. First, confirm the exact balance with the reporting bank or collector, because fees can change the number. Then settle or pay in full and get new collection activity to stop by keeping everything in writing. Collect proof of resolution, like a paid letter or zero balance statement, since you may need it when opening an account. Even after payment, expect the record to stay until it ages off, so avoid repeat negative closures. While your report heals, you still need a safe way to bank without creating new problems. Second chance checking can get you back in the system, and credit unions sometimes have more flexible account approval. Add guardrails to prevent NSF, non-sufficient funds, like low balance alerts, and a small buffer, and be careful with overdraft coverage that can trigger fee spirals. Use ACH for routine payments instead of wires to reduce costly mistakes. Then let time work for you as old records fall off. Most ChexSystems negatives aren't permanent. They often fall off in about 5 years, and errors can be disputed. If you want help finding accounts that fit your situation, BankingHub matches you based on how you actually bank and shows the real dollar impact of switching for your balance. Free, takes 2 minutes, no login or credit check. Links in the description.